Quick video on a cabinet to trash can conversion that I'm going to do. And I'm going to use the Rev-A-Shelf. And this is a little more expensive, but they give you everything you need and it just works and it's not going to fall apart and it's not flimsy. It makes a big difference. So now it comes in this large box mainly because of the trash cans. They give you both the trash cans you're going to need to drop down into this, so you don't have to pick those up on your own. These are going to be the ones that fit, and they have these little supports here that allow you to lift them up and out of the brackets very comfortably. So you're going to get two detailed instructions. These are written by qualified people. They're not translations on some poor translation service. They're very explanatory, all the measurements you need, everything you need to do. You're going to get a bracket kit here. And then inside, it's nearly all assembled. You're going to have your portion that's going to be attaching to the front of your cabinet here. And then it's got plywood, multiple plies here, all glued, really strong. So plywood is a lot stronger. It doesn't warp. It's machined here with the rivets that hold everything into place quite well. So this is the frame that we're going to put into the cabinet. And let's do that now. Here I've got the frame. It's upside down, sitting on this toolbox. But the first thing you notice is how strong all the metal components are. And polished, no sharp edges, really well made. And then the bearings. This rides out so smooth. And these are wide and they're strong. And they're going to be able to carry the weight of those two trash cans in and out without any concern. And definitely the ball bearings make a big difference. Very noticeable. Wood frame on this, very robust. It's 3/4 of an inch thick. It's really well done. The way that they bonded these together, it's all smooth. Really nice workmanship on the wood. Here's the one we're replacing. Let's see how this, it's just been really bad shape. It doesn't slide out very good at all. The door's not rigidly attached. Flimsy all around. Here I've got both the side rails installed. I used a furring strip here in the back to give it a little more strength in the cabinet because this is particle board. You see the nice ball bearings that slide in and out. And I've attached up front just with the one screw that they provide. There's a hole there to push through into that outer trim piece. You're going to want to pre-drill that hole before you put the screw in so nothing cracks. And you can just see how nice these ball bearings slide back and forth here. The only real prep work I had to do in here, besides the strip in the back, was just measure up from the bottom 14.5 inches. So I just put it down there, measured 14.5 inches, put a tick mark there on each side. And that's where that screw was going to go in. So now, attaching the shelf into these rails is real easy. Just lines right up like any other sliding drawer would. And then I pushed it all the way back in there to make sure everything's nice and level and flat. You know, you can extend it all the way out. Quick test here, see what the cans look like, and see if I clear the bottom so my height is good, and it is perfectly, because that 14.5 inches, that's what you need. They've already preset all this. It's designed for this cabinet size, so it's going to fit. And then putting on the front plate here, I'm going to put that cabinet door. I'm going to make sure that these two attaching points here are level because you have adjustments where you can tilt it forward or back. And then with it all lined up flat, I just connected it using the double-sided tape, and then I screwed it in from the back side there. And I got a nice movement here in and out with the cabinet door, and we're ready to go. It is all done at this point. We can go ahead and put our trash cans in, and that's it. We're done. Very easy to do this install, and these things just work great. Hey, I hope this was helpful to see how easy it is to put one of these Rev-A-Shelves in and what the components are made out of. It's really quality stuff. And if you've got to replace your trash drawer here, this is the one to get. Have a great day.